Hey everyone, Codex here. So today what we're gonna do is take a look at Chainlink and we'll discuss the trend and also the price targets we should be looking at before the end of this year. So if you guys like the content, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and of course make sure to join the Telegram channel. So Link hasn't been doing well. We know that 2021 wasn't as we expected in terms of price action since the RY was a bit low, let's face it. And we also know that this year has been quite brutal overall. And similar to what Bitcoin has been experiencing as of late, the second quarter of this year was mostly sideways for us as we remained in a very tight range. And I can understand that staying in a same position for a while might get frustrating. Now, if we take a look at the Phoenix Ascending indicator to understand if the sideways and bearish trend will continue, we can see that the blue LSMA and red RSI have finally broken above the level of 50 on the weekly time frame, of course. And this means that the buying pressure has been increasing. Typically, what we want to see is something like here. We want the blue and red lines to trend above the mid yellow line, which is the level of 50. And we just want them to keep rallying up, rising to higher levels, because the higher they go, the longer the rally lasts. We don't have that for the time being, as both lines are moving somewhat sideways. However, we could confidently say that things have slightly been improving for Link in terms of price action. Also, the bull market support band is quite important to discuss. So Link is currently facing resistance here, and we all know how important this band is. Historically speaking, whenever we are above it, we are typically in a bull rally and an uptrend. Trending above the bull market support band is also a very good entry sign. However, whenever the price drops below it, we enter a bearish phase or a bear market. And since November of last year, Link has pretty much been trading below it, going lower every time it gets rejected. We've got rejected in here at first, also here in our second attempt at breaking higher, and again here recently. And so this will be an important test, in my opinion, for Chainlink in the upcoming days. Breaking above the bull market support band is crucial if we want to rally. We can't even discuss a rally if we are below it, honestly. And us getting rejected here again is a sign that Chainlink isn't ready to break higher. Also, we know that Chainlink has unveiled the stake and reward that many have been waiting for a very long time now. The initial beta version for the Link staking is planned to launch on the Ethereum mainnet in December 2022. So in 2 months, basically. The fact that the initial staking pool will be starting with a size of 25 million tokens is an obvious sign that Link has very high odds of going up till December. The chances of a rally and of a price rise are in favor of Chainlink. Now, could the staking have no impact on the price action whatsoever? Yes, it could, but it's very difficult, because unless Bitcoin plummets and it crashes, Link is most likely going to rise. And so the levels I'll be looking at are this one at first, which is a resistance. This is where we got rejected here and also here recently. And so the $9.5 level will be interesting to retest again when we start going up. There is also another level I find interesting due to how many times we have tested in the past, which is this area, of course, but I'd rather go over it when we manage to break above this one at first. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Look, I know many don't agree with me, many are still bearish, and many have turned bearish recently, and it's fine if you want to be. I also have been bearish for a year now, and I still am on the macro scale. But always remember that in order to be a player in this market, you need to take actions at some point, and you'll have to buy. Whether it's today, tomorrow, 6 months from now, or even a year from now, it doesn't really matter. But what I want to say is that in order for you to be one of the players, you need to take actions. Remaining on the sidelines forever makes no sense. It doesn't make you a player in this market. So again, overall, I do think that Link will do well, especially in November and December, and I do expect a price rise to $10 and perhaps even higher in the upcoming few months, in the next couple of months. And so we'll see how this goes. that was about it, everyone, for today. Thanks for sticking by till the end. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe, of course, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.